Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Ofelia Orate, a principal owner of a school and tutorial center, a math teacher, and an author of 21 books. My most recent books are the following: College Entrance Reviewer Books 1 and 2, Core Concepts Reviewer for any high school, especially Science High School, PSHS Reviewer Volume 3 and 4. You can buy them online at Lazada and Shopee. My channel is about math tutorials which can help you with your entrance exams, SAT, and ordinary math class lessons. Please subscribe and click the bell button. Let's start! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Math with Mrs. O. Our lesson for today is division of radicals. This is part 1, there is part 2. When we are dividing radicals, we have to remember this rule, that the nth root of A over B is equal to the nth root of A over the nth root of B. But you have to remember that this is true where A and B cannot be negative whenever n is even. Why is that so? Because when you're getting the square root of negative 16, remember here, n or the index is 2. 2. It will not give you a 4 because it is a non-real number. Therefore, the square root of negative 16 over the square root of negative 4 is never the square root of 4. So always remember this constraint. Let's move to example number 1. So if we have square root of 49 over 121, this is equal to the square root of 49 over the square root of 121, which is equal to square root of 49 is just the square root of 7 squared over the square root of 11 squared. And the square root of 7 squared is equal to 7. Square root of 11 squared is 11. Can we still simplify this? Not anymore. So this is our final answer. What if there are variables? So we do the same thing. Square root of 12x cubed over 81y to the 4th is equal to the square root of 12x cubed over the square root of 81y to the 4th. There. Then, you factor 12 in such a way that one of the factors of 12 is a perfect square. You can always do that. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And you can also factor x cubed in such a way that one of the factors is divisible by 2. Why 2? The index of all of these square roots is understood to be 2. There. Times x to the 1 or x. Repeat. Factor 12. 4 times 3. Why did I choose 4? Because 4 is a perfect square. Factor x cubed in such a way that one of the exponent is divisible by 2 and the exponent of the other exponential is less than 2. Then, all over the square root of 81y to the 4th. Why didn't I factor y to the 4th? Because 4, which is the exponent of y, is already divisible by the index 2. We continue, we will have here square root of 4 is 2. Remember, I'm not canceling, I'm just putting a diagonal line as a sign to denote that I already got the square root of 4. Then the square root of x squared is x. We are left with the square root of 3x. There. So square root of 4 is 2, square root of x squared is x, and you're left with the square root of 3x all over square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of y to the 4th is y squared. There. Now, look at the term. Is there still anything which can be simplified? None. Therefore, this is already our final answer. I prepared here some exercises for you to do because, you know, math can be learned if you do so many exercises. I also provided the answers here so that you can compare your answers after doing them. Here are the exercises. I hope you will do them so that you'll have more practice. Before we end, you always have to remember to add kindness, subtract judgment, multiply understanding equals Mrs. O's good life equation. Don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe. Thank you.